Ukhozi olumaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyiyo egcwele emizini nemafini icula ingoma emnandi yayahlukanisa unyaka omusha komdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidololozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Bingelele ngikwamkele esiqeshini esimnandi soKhozi FM TV gama lami nguNeliswa Ngwakacele. Namhlanje ke siphumile sila emhlanga Numa Medical Aesthetics. Ngifikelana nomphathi wami uZukhanye wakangethu. Njalo mawulalela inhlelo emoyeni ukuthi akekho usibanimani noma khona usibanimani namhlanje uyena osilungiselayo kumnandi kakhulu ukuba naye namhlanje. Manibona ke guys nginovalo ni understand ngifuna ukuhola month end. Angifuni ukubuza into wrong. Angifuni ukwenza into ebheke eceleni kodwa ke isihloko esisilethe namhlanje uhambo lwakhe engicabanga ukuthi isihloko sibaleke kakhulu ngoba singabantu sibhekana nezinto ezahlukahlukene imizimba yethu ke singabantu ihlukahlukene ayifani umzimba wakho umzimba wami ngendlela esiu experience ngayo indlela ayifani namhlanje sikhuluma ngento enza kuwo wonke umuntu ukujuluka kodwa khona laba bantu abajuluka ngokwedlulele abakhuluma ulimi lasemzini bathi ihyperhidrosis la khona ujuluka khona ngokwedlulele uzosichazela kuZukhanye ngohambo lakhe asichazele ukuthi wabona kanjani kuyinto ekanjani futhi usizakala kanjani mphathi wami uyaphila
Ndiyaphila Neliswa.
Wafela ngihleka Nkosi yami.
Ndiyaphila siyaphila wena.
Ngiyaphila. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi sibe nawe kuKhozi FM TV.
Ngiyabulela nami ngokubona
Abantu bakubone nje ukuthi sisikhondla nje obani laba abangemuva.
Sis. Thank you for having me. Ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Siyabonga. Ukujuluka ngokwedlulele. Ngifisa ukuze uhambo lakho mhlambe wabona nini ukuthi ukujuluka kwakho akufani ngoba wonke umuntu uyajuluka and mhlambe wakuyitshela ukuthi hayi nje mhlambe bengigijima or whatever the story is ephathelene nokujuluka wabona nini ukuthi no mina khona okungale kwalokhu esikwaziyo.
Thank you Neliswa. Indaba yami nokujuluka I think ndaqala uyiqaphela at a very young age. It's not something endaveske ndayibona. Eqaleni you think it's normal. Because I mean it's normal indaba yokuba xa udlala sport when you exercising xa usenza into ujuluke. I thought it was normal as a kid. But ingxaki ke ngokufika when it comes with the stench. That's when you know ba ikhona ingxaki. And upon using i-products ezahlukahlukeneyo ndabona ba ezi products azincedi mina. Njengoba sibanceda abanye abantu azincedi. Ndafikela ku stage apho even I remember in high school classmates zam bandibiza bafuna ungicazela ngale ngxaki and I didn't know I had it. Like ndandihleli kwamba I know I sweat but I've never thought of it as ingxaki ebonwa ngabanye abantu up until then. That's when I became a bit preserved when it comes to indaba yokwenza sport because ndandimuntu active ndandidlala hockey cheerleader there's a lot of things nanzenza but yandibuyisumva yanqamla kunto ezininzi even the fact that it comes with the stench was my biggest problem because ngoku I'm not just sweating but ngoku nabanye abantu ba affected ngale ngxaki yam. So I think that's when I realized, but as ndikhula ndayibona ba into endikwazi ukuyimanage.
Okay.
Ndayi-manager up until I got to a stage endibona bana I don't think inormal lento. Abanye endiphila nabo abanayo le ngxaki. And nabanye abacinga bana le ngxaki ifana neyam ayifani. Ayifani because ndizame konke endikwaziyo, konke endikucebiswayo, konke endikubonayo, but ayisebenzi. So there has to be a bigger problem. So that's when I knew. Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ngiyakuzwa usuzame zonke izinto mawungangenzela izibonelo abanye abantu uzama ama products khona la wafika khona mhlawumbe uthatha ngeke ngibona ama video ko Facebook noma wezinye inkundla usisebenzulamula.
I do not want to lie to you. Ndazama zonke izinto. All the organic products kuthiwe hayi sebenzisa bicarbonate of soda izokusebenzela. No, it did not help. Kukho enye product where it's a rock. Le elitye uyathatha ulimanzise ebusuku and then uyalisebenzisa and then you sleep and then in the morning usebenzisa deodorant normal. The best deodorants ngezona ndizizamileyo. Kuthiwa hayi phuma kule sebenzisa le phuma le ngene ndizisebenzise zonke. Ndafika naku stage up ndisebenzisa ndiya double deodorant if there's such a word. Ndisebenzise
uhlanganisa u2.
Yeah, ndisebenzise roll on ndiphinde ndisebenzise i-spray. Imagine that's the kind of life I've been pillar for the past couple of years because I hadn't gotten a product and naughty yabona le yanisebenzele. Even if iyasebenza isebenza for a short a period of time and ke ngoku it doesn't work like njalo. And also into ndayibona ba abanye abantu they thought ingxaki yam is the stench. Kanti ayilovumba ingxaki yami. Ingxaki nam I also thought livumba ingxaki yami. Kanti ingxaki is the sweating. Ukubila. Because even nevumba ayilovumba eli strong or not livumba lekhwapha. No, livumba over bana there's dampness. Man khona mani some dampness going on. It's an irritating, uncomfortable stench onova bana no ikhona into yenzekayo apha. So that's when I realized but ikhona ingxaki. It's not because kwathiwa manditshintshe indlela entyangayo nditshintshe into azisebenzi zonke izinto. These are
wayeka ukudla wakudla
ndikuthanda kangaka sisi ndakomba noba yile junk because mna ndiyathanda utya chocolate. Ndacinga noba mhlambi zezi zinto that are contributing to le ngxaki ndinayo ndaziyeka izinto ezininzi because I wanted to ukwelapha le ngxaki ndinayo but it didn't work. It didn't work at all. Oh, I'm sorry ndiyasebenza. So
bakubize moyeni
bayafuna moyeni badinga mna emsakazweni. So yingxaki and ndayibona apho bani it's actually it's rooted. Maningayikhinga phezulu lento ndayibona xa ndima ndibe manzi even today when I walked in here I had a cup of coffee but ndine drips because I was sitting down. Oh, Dr. Lou, she thought ukubana ndichithelwe ikofu. Kanti no, it's sweat.
Ngixoxele umthelela walento uyakhula aw understand usikwenzakalani mhlambe khona umthelela wabakhona kwi-esteem yakho kuyindlela ozibuka ngayo phansi kwabanye abantwana.
Ayikhona sisi, I don't want to lie. Ndithi xa ndixoxa ngalento ndithi eyona nto that endicinga uba affected self-esteem yam is this. There's nothing beyond this. Ayikho noyicinga mna andingo yabona I'm dark. Andingomntu othi noba umuntu uthi uzukhanyela umnyama ndikhathazeke. Andingomntu othi uzukhanye lo unazigwaqe imilenze ndikhathazeke. Andikhathazeki izinto ezininzi. But bendisanda ukuthi emsebenzini if umuntu uthi kum uzukhanye lo wamakhwapha ndingaphela vithi and yinto endenze ndaphakama ndayilungisa because this is not a beauty treatment from me. Ndizama ulungisa mna so that ndikwazi ukuba a better zukhanye in the future, better mother, a better wife.
Hey,
Ndisezoba-
sazothungisa.
Ndifuna uthi mhlawumbe banguye inkosikazi ndingabi nezinto ezithi xa umuntu ethetha nam ngazo and I feel some type of way. Ndingumuntu one strong personality mna. Mhlambi I might not exude that or I might not show that, but andinangxaki nokudilishana nabantu. But I didn't want to have lanto iyi-one that knocks me down. Ekukhuleni kwam, it did. It did. I don't want to lie because ndaba withdrawn from my friends. There are things that I just didn't want to wear. It was even a subject attached. You know, i-peers zam zazinganokwazi ukuthetha ngento enjena ndikhona because bayayazi bana hey nzoba kwi-fields zam ndizobonakalisa ungonwabi. Kuphele kwa fun, kuphele kwa yonke lento besiyenza ngoko just because of just the mention of indaba enjena. And indithathe ixesha apho ndikwazi ufika ndikwazi uthetha ngayo freely ngelihlobo, you know. So it did affect me ekukhuleni kwam. It affected
Ufika kuphi la usuzithola khona uthi no man lento ngumuntu and akhonto wrong ngami.
I think qala ndifike kwi point enjalo ngokuba ndibona ba number 1 ayindimndedo nengxaki ebomeni, ne? I'm not the only one. Baninzi abantu abanengxaki zehlukile but banazo. Number 1. I think that was number 1 for me. Yandenza ndifikele kwi point ethi noba eyami ingxaki ayifani neyomnye. If there's a way I can fix it, let me try. Ngeyona nto ndifikise up. I was able to accept the circumstances because of just that. The minute ndibona bana yazi into nabantu banengxaki zabo and this is mine. If ndiyakwazi ufika ku point apho ndine solution for ingxaki yam, then I will work on the solution. I think that was just my turning point for me.
Uke wathinta indaba yokuthi izinto ezikanjena awuzitholi kwi medical aid maningi ama conditions abantu ababhekana nawo othola ukuthi kuyinto ngempela edinga usizo kodwa uyisolve ukuphuma kuleyo nkinga kudinga imali thizeni ukhokhela udokotela noma iprocedure ekanjalo uzitholile wena kuleyo nkinga
Ndifikile sisikulo point namo it's so unfair that even when you speak about treatment as njena, people treat it ngelihlobo medical aid binoyithetha ngayo ingathi yi-beauty treatment. This is a condition. It's a medical condition. It's not indaba yokuba ndivuke namhlanje ndafuna ukuyeka usweta. No. It's a medical condition, but medical aid ayibhatali. Amongst many other medical conditions, singabantu baseMzantsi Afrika singabhatalelwa zi-medical aid. I-medical aid ezithatha inkuntyula yemali. Uthi noba awuyifuni awuna choice, but because you work for the organization uyisebenzelayo, you have to have a medical aid specifically, you know. But ufike lo medical aid ayikwazi ukunceda kwinto ezincinci ezinjengalena, which is something that could help kwelapha izinto ezininzi ebomini bakho, because it's not just I affect i-treatment yam, I affect just indaba yam yosweta kule area, but it's going to affect other areas as well, I'm assuming. So if ube nemali, you have to make sure we point apho you ofunayo yenza, and xa ufikile kulo point you must make sure that uyayibeka imali bucala, and ixhomekeka ngokuba ik-affecte kangakanani wena ungumntu. The minute you get to a point where ubona ba ithatha a lot from you lento, diminish as a human being, diminish as a leader in your workspace, diminish in your family. That's when you take it seriously. And it's not because ndikwazi ukuza namhlanje it means ndinemali. I mean, there's so many other things that I could have done, but because kum ibalulekile lento ndikwazi take the step. But also it takes savings. You sit and plan. Awuvela uhlala decide ba yabona namhlanje ke ndio swipe card. It's not easy. Izinto ezininzi ziyanyuka, things are expensive. kukho abantwana, kukho school fees, kukho izinto ezininzi, you know. Benhleka uThozama mentioning that, but ndiphila nice life problems. At that time I've got school fees as well. I've got a life to live. I've got things to pay off, you know. But because Lendo was just taking a piece of me little by little, ndibona uba uzukhanya lo ndimaziyo is going to diminish. So let me work towards indaba yalendo. Let me work towards making sure that I get to a place where I finally do the treatment. And it wasn't just a mere, hi doc, ndiyeza. It took us time to get to today. I remember when Dr. Lou sisenza our first consultation, wandi mepela out about how much it's going to cost and whatever. Once all of this is paid off, that's when we start. Yeah, but so it was not a matter of overnight. Sahlala phansi, sahlela. It took time to get to where we are. So ndiyafuna nomkhuthaza umuntu osendleni who wants to do into enjena. Angacingi ukuba na into elula. It's not easy. Fonke sacrifice, fonke make sure bana you plan. And fonke make sure ubeke imali bucala, because unfortunately medical aids don't pay for this, and it's not offered, not even offered to government hospitals.
Yeah. I'm sure as izwe nje laseNingizimu Afrika khona i-direction ezizama ukuyithatha noma ekuzomela siyithathe mase kukhulunywa nge-health nezinto ey'fana no-medical aid kade kukhulunywa kakhulu nge-NHI National Health bani leyadisayinwa izolo ngomungameli lezokwazi ukuthi ibhedlela private and public zikwazi ukusebenzisana. But I'm sure as izwe as ama-conversation akanje enzeka sokwazi ukuthi sisondele. So ke ngifisa usichazele lana namhlanje sizokwenzani, sizobonani and ihlangana kanjani nejourney yakho.
All right. So today sizo kwenza i-treatment zethu. So we've had a consultation yethu yokuqala. Kulapho ke wandichazela uDr. Luba what was wrong with me, i-diagnosis wandinika khona. Wandicacisela ukuba what causes it. So namhlanje into azoyenza uzojonga isikhumba sekhwapha. Ndiyazi ukuthi into ekhwapha ngesizulu.
Ikhwapha.
Yeah, okay. Uzojonga isikhumba sekhwapha la, ajonge ingxaki ba iphi kanye because it's not into across ekhwapha longa, but kukho program areas. So there's 100 doses ibizile ko yana but there's 100 doses of Botox azoyifaka. So uzofakwa i-Botox le iqhela ukufakwa ebusweni for ubuhle, namhlanje izobe incede ukwelapha ingxaki nayo. So sobe senza lonto namhlanje. I'm very nervous because kwamna ndingumuntu ke ozoyika inalite. But lonto bendithethe about lento, it's not about anything else, but it's about getting healing physically and also healing emotionally. Yeah, but so I'm prepared, I'm nervous, I'm scared. These emotions.
Yeah,
but I'm ready. And ndifike ku point up on the ready. And yeah.
Well, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usimeme sibingxenye yalolu hambo. I'm sure akusiyona into elula ngoba kuyinto personal kakhulu, but I'm sure khona mhlambe ingane ekhaya cousin kaSibanibani, umngane kaSibanibani ozohlala ethi hawo yazi nami iyangenzwa into kanje, akwazi ukubona asizakale naye. So ke doctor's room siyalapho. Alright, ke bukela Ukhozi FM TV sosuka ke manje sibone udokotela, sibone le treatment ukuthi ihamba kanjani, asihambeni siyobona. Siphinde sikwamukele kuKhosi FM TV bengithembisile ke sese treatment room sobona ukuthi ikhamba kanjani eduze kwami khona uDr Lou. Dokotela kunjani?
Sanibonani ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila senamukela kakhulu eNuma Medical Aesthetics. Siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi sibe nani namhlanje.
Sijabula thina. Ngizobona iprocess for oqala uzuko siyami izukusondela ama nerves
Ngijabulele.
ukuthuka kule phezulu. Ngizolandela i-direction yakho.
Not a problem. You can get onto the bed. Look Gibele. Yebo. Yes please. Ngazi ngajabula ngathi mina wenze treatment. Ngiyabonga kakhulu sesicela unginyekela kancane. Phakamisela isandla.
Deep breaths.
Relax. Can you have both your hands on the head? Thank you so much.
Okay, you're good with the dress.
Cala umkhamela kancane. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Okay.
So we're going to start. Sizoqala ngokutesta ukubona ngoba usisifethu lana inkinga yokuthi ujuluka kakhulu. So into sokuqala siyenze ukubheka ama glands lawa akhipha umjuluko, sibheke lawa asebenza kakhulu, sikwazi ukuthi siwanciphise ukuthi akhiphe umjuluko kakhulu. So sizoqala senze i-test esibiza ngokuthi iodine starch test. So sofaka i-iodine e-brown mase sifaka i-starch la kuzothintsha khona kube mnyama khona yilapho sojova khona ukuncipha ukujuluka.
Oh, ngiyabona.
Ngokomthetho umuntu ongajuluki kakhulu because la ngoba la endlini kuvule aircon manje akufanele ngabe ujuluka kangaka akufanele ngabe uthi kushintsha kube emnyama kanje ingakho sebiza ngokuthi hyperhidrosis ngoba ama glands akasebenza kakhulu so i-test yethu sesiqedile sizophinda siyenze nakuleli linye ikhwapheli ngale mase siyaqala sijove
Shuthu kuba kajuluka kakhulu ngaba kubanga mnyama kanje.
Yes. So sizohamba la sojova khona konke kuze kuphumele ngale ngemuva and then mase sizojova konke la sizokwenza nje ikwele encane esizojova khona ukuze singawashi and then mase siyaqeda uzothatha isikhathi esincane
Umuntu wakhona ubala khuleka. Awuthi ngihlehlele endleleni. Engalindela ukubona umehluko emva kwesikhathi esingakanani.
insukwana nje ezimbalwa sizomnika kuze kudlule insuku ezi-19
Okay.
mase siyabona uzophinda buye futhi emva kwamasonto amabili sizobheka ukuthi sekunjani and uzobe sephinde yenza futhi enye enyangeni ezisithupha.
Oh, okay. Ama treatment abamanga kuze umuntu aqede ukuthi ayise right ke manje.
Hayi siyenza nje le eyodwa izomsiza izohlala nje kuze kuphele inyanga ezisithupha. Emva kwalokho mase siyaphinda futhi siyenze. Esihamba ngokuhamba kwesikhathi khamba egcine engasawadingi kakhulu. Sesenza mhlambe sesiwenza mhlambe emva kwenyanga ezi-8. Bathi le izokwazi ukumgcina inyanga ezisithupha. Umuzo ubaluleke kakhulu loyo. So angithi sisebenzisa i-botulinum toxin ekuyona esisebenzisayo ukuparalyze ama-muscles mengabe senza i-botox, but la asifikanga kwi-level ye-muscle. So singene nje ngaphansi kwesikhumba kancane la kuhlala khona ama-glands lawa akhipha umjuluko, so asifikanga kwi-muscle. So khulileka ngeke size sikuparalyze. Kodwa i-muscle elikuyilona elinyakazisa ihlombe lakho ilele la ngaphezulu esibiza ngokuthi deltoid. So khulileka angeke uze kuphazamiseke, asihambanga kakhulu. Musuka la
ihamba
cha mephuma la kumele ahambe emsebenzini.
It's possible to wenza kanjani?
You definitely mungiphuma la ungaphuma uhambe emsebenzini, wesibiza ngokuthi i-lunch time procedure. Ungakwazi nje ukuphuma nge-lunch yakho ufike uzokwenza i-treatment yakho mase uyahamba.
Cha kuyashesha kwamna.
I-ambulance
ezomthwala Nkosi yami.
Yabo relax kanjani?
It's done.
So lama dot akhona manje kusakhona i-products ngaphansi izoloku i-distributor emva kwe-hour noma ama-hour amabili izobe sephilile. We are done. Siyabonga kakhulu. Let me just try remote.
Hayi ke sesibuya kwi-treatment kudokotela omunye phakathi kwethu ngeke ngisho ukuthi ubani ubesefisa ukuthi ahanjise ekhaya nge-ambulance bathi ngiyajabula ukuthi khululekile manje uzizwa njani?
Hey, ndiyavuma Nelisa sisi, it was rocky bendisoyika. Inerves zami beziphezulu, but I can safely say ndonwabile. Ndiyavuya ukuba ndiyenze le treatment and nendlela yenzeke ngalo inbonza ba really haba nje kuyenzeka and
inhlungu scale of 1 to 10
3 I think u3 ifanele bingathi nje ngiyatswetywa nje ekhwapheni I think nento yokubana inaliti ezincinci so it was and ibikhawuleza so bengenaxesha lokho ndimamela inhlungu ndikhendive but it was quick, so I think it ncedile ke lonto leyo.
Mawuqhathanisa lokho kade ukulindele ne-experience uqhathanisa ubonani?
It was way better. Akhange ndiyicingele. One khange ndiyicingele uba izothatha ixesha elifutshane. Bendicinga izoba i-process ende. Two, ne-pain. Inhlungu zayo are not extreme. And also they are worth it. And yazi noba beniqhutywa ilonto ukubana ndilindele i-end result, ndilindele i-end goal, but inhlungu bezingekho bad. In terms of yonke into ebisenzeka nexesha belifutshane nendlela nje uDr Lu anicacisele ngalo ngelixesha sebenzayo incedile lonto ndingumuntu othanda ucaciselwa so that I understand into xa isenzeka and also ihlisa nerves zami incedile lonto leyo and I think eyona nto ke and I don't want to take it for granted isandla sakho sisi mandibamba throughout Dr Lu mentioned something when you were doing that bana ibalekile indaba yokubana abantu to support you because there's something that happened to me the moment undibamba isandla nje nerves zehla nje relaxation yafika you know so support bethuna as much as it was andifuna ukuthi corporate support but it helped a lot.
Ucabanga ukuthi sulungele uphinda ubuye futhi mhlambe after 6 months njengoba udokotela Dash?
Ndi-ready. Hayi ndiready sese ndiready nobe bekusithiwa 3 months bendizobuya inhloso yami ukuphila ndifuna ukuphila nobe bekusithiwa mandifike nini bendizokuza ndizoyenza nobe bekusithiwa hayi ke yenzwa ebusuku leli treatment benzofika ebusuku ngizokwenza treatment yabo nobe bekusithiwa kukho izinto ofuna ukuzenzile for ulungiselela treatment for ungatya ukutya okuthile ungasela into ezithile bendizozenza because ndifuna ukuphila.
No sibonge kakhulu ukuthi usimeme sibone uhambo lakho usixoxela indaba yakho sifunda okuningi namhlanje I'm sure nombukele ekhaya ithokoze kakhulu.
Thank you ndiyabulela nami ngokuba nihambe namo it always helps to have abantu around you when you sense into ezinjena but most importantly sharing into njena as much as ingaba uncomfortable for me but inceda omnye umuntu so inhloso yalento was just to help the next person so ndiyabawula uyazi ndiyabawula uget to a point where kukho umuntu oncedakaleyo ngale session kukho umuntu obuya athi nam ndakwazi ufumana usizo because uzukhanye wema wathetha yabo so ndiyabulela kuKhosi FM TV nawo wonke umuntu oye wabukela namhlanje.
Siyabonga kakhulu sibonge kakhulu nakuwe mbukeli Ukhozi FM TV. Sibonge Dr. Lu, sibonge kuinuma Medical Aesthetics ukuthi basimeme sibelana namhlanje. Zu siyabonga kakhulu uhambo lakho oluhle olubalekile. Ngiyathemba nani nifundile njengoba nami ngifundile, ngifunda amagama amakhulu, ngifunda izinto ezintsha, kodwa ke okukhulu ngifunda ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi umuntu ubuze imibuzo mawubona ukuthi khona into engajwayelekile esemzimbeni ngaphezulu kwabanye abantu ukwazi ukuthi usizakale. Na kanjani ke asiphinde sihlangane kwesinye isiqephu soKhozi FM TV. Gama lami nguNeliswa, ngwakacele ngimthanda kakhulu.